All right, guys, welcome back. We have this Ford Super Duty with this Western contractor grade plow set up on here. Quite the rig. Plow's not operational at the moment. Well, it kind of is right now because we have a wire jumped. But you can see what's taking place here. It was pretty easy to diagnose and troubleshoot this one, and the owner pretty much knew what the problem was. This got pinched somehow, somewhere, and here we are. So maybe it's supposed to be tied up here and the tie broke or something happened, but it's here now. Doesn't work unless this wire is continuous and it is no longer, and he just wants to replace the plug. It's supposed to snow tonight. And here we are. So let's get in here and see what we got to do to get behind this cover. MVP3. What I found so far, you see the cover comes into the backside here. I just started pulling around. I'm like, okay, this side looks like it comes off. There's like an O-ring style retainer that wraps around the bottom like so. And you come up here and you do the same thing. You lift that up and then these side covers come off. Okay, this might not be as bad as I thought. Let me see if I can get you guys set up. All right, so if I follow this back around, where this cable comes in, that zip tie right there. Okay. This red cable here, and this black one here. All right. I'm gonna start by taking this one off and this one. All right, once we got those two removed, looks like I might be able to fetch them. I don't want to break anything else while I'm here. I might be able to pull them down. Stiff wires. All right, we gotta see what all is happening here with these. Where they go. I'm gonna take a peek back there, and I'm gonna take a peek back, see if I can somehow fish these wires down and out, see where they're going. Hopefully not far. All right, so if I follow this wire around, you can see they got it all tangled up around up in there. Keep it retained, and it's red, black, white, and brown. Let me come up here to this control module, and it looks like A is going to be our culprit. Black, brown, red, and white. So we'll unplug A, see if we can untangle this mess a little bit. This is B. I'm not sure why they tangled it up like this. Probably just to keep everything from moving around too much. All right, looks like I could bring A and B down together and untangle them. So I'm gonna do that now. I was looking at this and I'm like, what a friggin' rat nest. What am I gonna do? I'm about ready to get out the dikes, to be honest with you, because it's being all replaced. I don't want to waste too much time on it. When things break, they all break at once. So just the way it goes, it seems. Oh, there's our cable. All right, so here's our damaged cable. And here's our new one. It looks like they got the right one. That's good. We'll get this out of the package, start putting it back in. All right, guys, so here we have it. I have the red wire hooked back up, the black wire hooked back up down here. Everything ran around the back like it was before. And then I just ran, I'm not sure if you can see it back there. Once I put it back, all these wires they ran around naturally. The other control wires, they ran around, went pretty much naturally where they wanted to go. I just wrapped them together. As you can see there, the same way we took it apart, I just wrapped them together. It takes up all the slack because the new wires are much longer. And as you've seen, the other ones were as well. So I believe that's why they did it. And I just plugged A is the new setup we just got. Plug that in, plug B back into B. I'm gonna make sure these wires are configured the same way before I plug it into the truck. If everything looks good, we'll test it out. Black, brown, white, red. All right. Black, brown, white, red. Yep. Feeling pretty good about it. I think I'm just gonna pop the covers on. That way, if it works, I'm done. I can move this one outside and move on to the next. All right, guys. Just got it all plugged in. I just ran the backside like this. That way it shouldn't rub too much. This is pretty much stationary. Everything hinges from down there. But when this unplugs, at least it's right here. It shouldn't get pinched anywhere. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see if it works. Just want to put the door up in case I go the wrong way with it. No, for now. Make sure nothing's sitting out there. Seems like everything's working good. Yeah, I can't see anything that's gonna be a problem. All right, guys, I know it wasn't much of a video at all, but I'm sure we're not the only ones that are gonna have this problem. So, there you have it. If you have one of these newer setups, Ultra mount system, Western plows. There you have it. She's a big beast.